What up, traders? It's your boy Marvin Jackson, aka the man, the myth, the professor. Hey, do me a favor. If you like my content, smash that subscribe button. Like that stuff. It's all good. Okay, so let's talk about today. All right, here we go. So we are going to start with the market. Let's see what the market did. Let's go ahead and go to full screen mode. Okay, here is the DJI, the Dow. Okay, let me go ahead and pop into, the daily. And we can see, look at the Dow, man. It's trying to make this fight back. Trying to get above the box. Trying to get some MAs to turn and curl and come back up. So we got some good traction. Now, how long is this going to last? I do not know. It can hit this MA and fall back. Ain't no telling. The good thing is everything is on sale right now if the market is truly turning. I think with the government funding plan, things of that nature is going to help out the scenario. And so I think things might turn. We just got to let it play out. Here is the SPY, as you can see again, pulling up, moving to that 20, trying to get back on track. So we'll just have to let it play. Now, let's go into today's plays. As I stated, there weren't many out there. It was a really strange day. God, I couldn't believe how strange it was. There was only financial companies and the mortgage type companies that were in play today, and I'm assuming it was earnings, and this is just the first day that one of those key biotechs that was doing stuff for the coronavirus, that there was just no traction. It was crazy. I just never seen anything like it. So anyhow, let's go ahead and get to our first play of the day, which was okay. So let's go ahead and look at MFA. All right. So this stock, this would be the pre-market here. Okay, so this is okay. Got a good little push, came back, pivot. So here's the first pivot right here at the 123 area. Okay, 120 area. Then it came back up and it got sideways and then it bounced. All right, cool. So I'm gonna call this. You can call this the launch or the pivot. This fine by me. Okay, and I'll put a line there for 152. This is a cool, strong support area because of course, price coming up and pulling back off this old resistance is new support. Okay, so we have these candles here coming in, and I had this line going through 182. So that was a good area that would have been willing to buy. And then the biggest pre-market candle was this one here at 6 a.m. that launched it too. So what I was thinking, I didn't play this early because it was too close. I like stocks to be 10% or more away from the the open, from the price. I like it to pull at least 10 to 15% or more down so I can dip buy it. I like it to sell off a little bit and people panicking and taking profits, and then boom, I want to buy that bounce. So it did it. It did it at 2, man, and then it kind of ran and it got to 255-ish or something like that, and then it consolidated all day, and then it boom bounced again. Basically, this didn't give me the opportunity. I felt uncomfortable taking it. Yeah, so I was saying that this consolidated and then it pulled in here, and this is where I took it. I took it at $2 because this is where the launch started in regards to the open hours. It just didn't work out. This thing continued to show weakness. I put a quick stop in. I got stopped out. Such is life. It happens, okay? So that was one play, and this is the saddest part is there just wasn't many plays out there, okay? It was a really strange day. I almost should have just took the day off. Now, the next stock that we're going to look at is GPMT. This is one of those mortgage company stocks that we were talking about, and the news behind these, it was simple. It was basically, if I recall correctly, it was something about MFA was about dividends. This one was just like a decent earnings call, considering all the craziness, right? And so here we go. Let's look at the pre-market. Okay, the launch area is down here at 321. It moved up all pre-market, and this kind of was like the candle that I focused on at 357, hoping that it would pull back. There was the MA, there was both MAs. This was a strong area to buy. Did not pull back. This thing ran all morning. It just boom and shot out. And I don't really chase them, as we know, so I just let it play out. And the bottom line is it just went without me. And literally, those were the only two things that I had of interest. I was scanning all morning. I kept scanning and scanning and scanning and scanning, and nothing but these mortgage companies and financial companies were coming up. So it is what it is. Tomorrow brings a new day. Let's see what happens, man. I'm hoping some stuff gets back to normal, like when the biotechs and the communication companies and all that kind of stuff have news. These are penny stocks. We're chasing penny stocks, and we're allowing them. I know that they fluff things up from time to time, and so we'll see if anybody's taking advantage of something, that's going towards this coronavirus. All right, this is the recap. Oh, by the way, small account challenge. My buddy convinced me, go over there. My buddy convinced me, parenting at the same time. My buddy convinced me to just do a once a week. So basically, I'm going to do a once a week. I'm going to show you the trades I took for that week. We're going to look at the gains and the growth of the profits of that particular week. And we're going to leave it at that. So this is just a recap of the day. Everything else is smooth as smooth could be. I will let this video break down. I'll see you guys tomorrow. But let's get something good tomorrow, please, because I mean my week is decent right now, but I need something. I need something to jazz this weekend up, and a nice trade will do just that. All right, y'all, be safe, stay smart, stay on top. I'll catch you on the next run. Later.